Fourth leg of our trip took us across the state of Minnesota, from La Crosse, Wisconsin, all the way to Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Last night it was really rainy, and we stopped at a campsite on the water in Grand Meadow, and it was a little worrisome for me. I woke up late at night with the heavy rain, and we were right by the water. I was a little worried that we would have sunk in, but everything turned out all right. And then from there we went to Green Earth. They have a giant, Jolly Green Giant statue. It was an interesting place. We took some photos, and then we just ate some lunch. And now we made it here. Total of about 182 miles. It's about $10 for the night, which is a pretty good deal because they even have electricity and sewer, so it's always super helpful. I hope you like this leg of our trip. If you want more, check out our blog at lifeenroute.com. And as always, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.